Hello traders, in this video we are going to see about USD JPY US section outlook. So in this video I will also teach you how to identify the bias, how the bias will be bullish or bearish. We can see in this video and what we can expect USD JPY pair for US section. So don't miss this video. Let's enter into the video guys. So let's go inside. You can see here I remove everything. So first I will go to the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, the previous week is bullish. What we can expect on Friday, the last week day. So how I find the market is bearish. You can see here, market is making a lower low. Here is a lower low, and here is lower low. So we can see market is making lower low. And one thing here is that if market is reacting to this inversion FEG, you can see here is inversion FEG. I marked it in a blue color so you can understand. So if the body closes below this, so if the body closes below this, we can expect market to move on up. So in this area, this FEG act as a support. So due to this resistance level, this FEG market cannot able to move up. So the reason is this FEG. So in weekly, we find is the bias is going to be bearish. So the weekly bias is bearish. So we go to a lower time frame. Okay. So I'm going to a daily time frame for me giving a perfect identification about bias. So then we can see here market taking every liquidity and moving higher rise. And this is the reaction place in FCG. After mitigating this weekly FCG, the market fails to fall down and takes the liquidity. And the market is taking the every liquidity in this area and market making a liquidity and here get the consolidation. So the aim of the market is to take this unit. So market is consolidation inside this candle. So I am expecting market to take this size to fall down. So this is my target to take market. So my bias is bearish guys. So you can see here and here is another FEG in daily. After mitigating this inversion FEG, I mark this is a red candle. Now I am going to remove guys. You need to understand why I am removing this. So now I am adding the weekly inversion FEG where you can see here. After reacting to this inversion FEG, the market fell down. We get a complete guidance. The market is going to be bearish. What I am expecting is bearish sign and I will go to a lower time frame for getting higher confirmation. So I'll go to a lower time frame which is 4 hours. So in 4 hours, I get this point. Market will be easily violating this size. I am expecting market to take this 4 hour by sell liquidity. So we can see here after corresponding to this FEG, I am removing this. So we are now in 4 hours. So we can see here after reacting to this inversion FEG, which is in 4 hours, so market fell down. So here is a chance of market is taking this size. So we can expect market to take this size. So I am expecting market to take this size and fell down, go to take this liquidities. And below there is a huge liquidity. I am expecting market to keep my first target here and I am expecting my full target at the next week. So it's overall target. And in my trade, I will keep my target and stop loss. I will tell you what I am expecting. So in 4 hours, there is an FVG. So I mark using this kind of rectangle box. So it's really easy for analyze. So I mark this as a FVG 4 hour. So after marking FVG 4 hour, I will go to mark another thing which is basic liquidity in proper way and then I will go to a proper which is in 1 hour. So in 1 hour I will get a proper identification. The market is going to take this liquidities and here the market form a trend line liquidity which means the market is going to coming to take this liquidity after collecting the above liquidity. So another thing in 1 hour we can see the section highs and lows and another thing which is market is going to. So when we are going to sell, we must sell at the premium. So I use the tool to this You cannot see it to see whether the price is in premium or discount. So I'm placing here. So price is going to, if the price breaks this buy sell liquidity and the price going to the premium zone, after breaking premium zone, we will get a higher confirmation. We can go to our trade. So I use the section indicator to see what the section has been done. So everyone can see this, guys. So market is sweeping the Asian highs and London highs. In New York, the market should move like this, guys. What I am expecting in New York, the market should give a huge expansion and retracement and continue to downtrend. I expect this loss. I expect this loss definitely. If I get my trade in this area, definitely I am trying to capture 30 to 40 pips. Okay. So I am expecting market to take this highs. So we can go to a lower time frame, which is in 15 minutes for your proper identification. So how much distance it is given to this? Only 30 pips. I don't see if there is any news. If there is any news, we will get a trade in this area. We can take it and we will make something. What is losses? A pot of gain. So this month I have taken 6 trades and one is profit and overall loss. So loss is the pot of gain. So you follow your rules and follow your risk management and still focus on your trades and keep channeling, guys. I hope you may understand about how to channel and how to identify the bias. I think I give a proper knowledge cadence in this video. I hope everyone would understand what I am teaching in this and why should you watch this. So my expectation, I will mention this line chart. I'm expecting market to do like this and manipulation 1 and manipulation 2 and our entry market deficit. My target should be this low. So we can 15 minutes, we can see here trendline engineering liquidity. So this is called as a trendline engineering liquidity. Market will take one by one, two, three, four liquidity. It will take easily. So we should be waiting for an opportunity. I hope you guys may understand. If you have a doubt, you can ask me, guys. I will definitely clear you. Okay, traders. Bye. Bye.